If you're someone that has a hard time getting up and down off of the ground, I have some movement that you can take while standing. I'm going to offer you a couple of side body stretches, which are great for stretching the muscles between your ribs, which over time can lead to better breathing. And I'm going to offer you a standing twist that's a little bit like dancing. The first side body stretch is going to involve bringing your arms up and overhead. So once you've done that, you're nice and rooted into your feet. Maybe you're standing about hip-width distance apart with your feet. Take your left hand and hold on to your right wrist. And then really reach up. And then when you're ready, take a nice side bend to the left. Keep pressing even more actively into your right foot here. Do you feel a stretch on the right side of your body? Hope you do. You could spend a few breaths here before you rise up and switch hands. So now my right hand is going to grasp my left wrist. I'm going to reach up high and then tilt this time to the right, feeling a stretch on the left side of my body, really actively pressing into my left foot. And breathe right there. And slowly rise back up, lower your arms down. Say that doesn't feel good for your shoulders to have your arms overhead. Here's another option. Again, standing on your 2 feet so that you feel nice and comfortable, nice and tall. Arms at your sides, bend into your knees and lower one arm down towards the ground. Rise back up and go to the other side. And just do that back and forth several times. Still feel a nice side body stretch. If you like this movement and want to add the shoulders, you can tilt to one side or bend to one side and lift the opposite arm. Of course, this is going to involve your shoulders, so see how that feels for you. Maybe you can do it a little bit. Maybe the arm can come up higher. I always try to encourage people to at least attempt some gentle movement, assuming they're not dealing with a major injury. And just see how it feels. All right, so those are 2 options for side body stretches from standing. And then the second thing I want to show you is a twist, a standing twist. So if you've been standing still, you might want to shake things out a little bit. Plant those feet down, most of the weight in your heels, arms at your sides, and then start to turn your body to the left, and then look down and see how my right heel lifts. That kind of keeps the knee nice and comfortable. And then twist to the other side, lifting the other heel. Do that back and forth a few times, keeping your arms at your sides. And then as you start to feel nice and warmed up, you can add some additional arm movement here. This part, of course, is optional. A little bit like dancing. If you want to nudge yourself into a little bit more of a twist here, let your gaze follow your movement. If that makes you feel dizzy, skip that part. Your gaze can stay a little steadier. And then come back to stillness. So there you have it. Pretty much 3 variations of a side body stretch that you can take standing, and then a dynamic twist that you can take while standing. You never have to get down onto the ground. I hope you enjoy it.